What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another delicious recipe for you guys. We are going to be making a delicious blackened salmon with cheesy shrimp and grits, guys. This is amazing, an absolute banger in the kitchen. You're going to love it, and I can't wait for you guys to try this out. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think. And let's get started. All right, to begin, we're gonna get our saucepan to about a medium high, get that chicken broth in there, top it off and get it to a boil. Once we have it to a rolling boil, we are gonna toss in our grits, guys. Go ahead and get them in there just like so and give them a nice little stir until it kind of reduces a little bit and gets a little bit of thickness to it, if you know what I'm saying. And guys, do not forget to drop a comment. If you ain't got nothing to say at all, at least drop a fire emoji for your boy. I would really appreciate it. As you can see, our grits have begun to kind of thicken up. We're just gonna sprinkle in a little bit of salt and pepper. You can kind of taste it and see how much you want to add to it. We're gonna also add our heavy cream as well as a little bit of unsalted butter. And we're gonna give that a mix just like so, guys. And we are also gonna add in our sharp cheddar cheese. And there's so many options, you know, when it comes to cheese that you can add to your grits. I love sharp cheddar, so that's what we're doing. But you know, if you have a different cheese on hand, that will definitely work as well. So like I said, we got that cheese in there. We're just gonna work that spoon, get that thing all mixed up and melted. Oh my goodness, look how ooey and gooey these grits are, man. These are so good. Can't wait for you guys to try this at home, man. I'm telling you, this is another hit for your kitchen, guys. Your whole family is gonna enjoy it. So at this point, you wanna go ahead and put your grits to the side. If your stove has a warmer, put it on the warmer, or you could just put it on the lowest setting of your stove. We're gonna move on to our salmon and shrimp. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys. Give them a nice luxurious massage, get all up in there, and we are gonna season the you know what out of this salmon and shrimp, because you know us, we is not stingy. Ain't no bland salmon or shrimp or grits or anything whatsoever at all in my kitchen, and it should be like that for yours as well. So we about to go ham, go crazy, and just season up this salmon and shrimp to perfection. I am being so generous and just going ham like I always do. So we got our pan to about a medium high. I'm just gonna get a little bit of unsalted butter in there. And guys, I don't buy salted butter at all. Just a tip, because you always want to control the amount of salt in your recipe, and sometimes you'll add a little butter and, you know, salted butter, and that'll just take it over the top. So I don't buy salted butter, period, and I suggest you do the same. Unsalted everything, guys. So I just laid my salmon fillet up in there. Look at the sizzle that we got going. You want to just let it sit and do its thing until each side is nice and beautiful. Let me let you see the flip. Look at that, look at that. If your salmon don't look like this when you flip it, you need to send it back to the kitchen where it came from, because we don't want it, guys. Yes, look how delicious that looks. Look at the color, guys, that we have on this salmon fillet. You know the motto, no color, no flavor. Man, if your salmon look bland, then it tastes bland, if you know what I mean, guys. So our salmon is about fully cooked. We're gonna take that off of the heat and we are going to move on to our shrimp. Man, that looks delicious. So I'm just gonna add some additional butter to our pan. Same pan we were already using. And we're gonna just toss in our jumbo shrimp and let them do their thing, guys. Let them get nice and delicious in that pan. Get them sizzling and going. And we're gonna cook them until they're kind of nice and beautiful on each side. I'm just gonna give them a flip just like so, guys. Look at the color that we have on these shrimp. Looks amazing, smells amazing, and best believe they taste amazing, guys. So at this point our shrimp is about fully cooked. I'm just gonna take them off of the heat just like so. So now that we have our shrimp out of the pan, we're gonna go ahead and toss in about half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Get that sizzling, get that garlicky aroma in the air just like so, guys. I am a garlic lover. Put garlic on anything, man. I love me some garlic. Next, we're gonna deglaze our pan with a little bit of cooking wine. I'm about a quarter of a cup or so. Into that, we're gonna also add in a little bit of that heavy cream. Give that a nice little stir just like so. Get that all mixed up, and then we're also gonna season this up as well. On the screen I have listed everything that we use to season up this sauce to perfection. Got that in there. We're gonna give that a nice little stir as well. Get that to a little bit of a boil. Once we have it to a boil, we're gonna add in, or should I say reintroduce, our jumbo shrimp to that sauce. Let it just kind of sizzle up for about I would say a minute or so. You want to let it bubble up, just get all those flavors reincorporated, and we are just about ready to plate up. Man, look at that. That looks amazing. We are ready to plate up. So you want to grab you a big old bowl. When I say big old bowl, I mean a big old bowl. And get those grits up in there. Up in that bowl. You know what I'm talking about? Get all them grits in there. Get that beautiful blackened salmon fillet. Sit that right in the middle. Go ahead and grab your shrimp. Get that in there as well. Look how beautiful that plate looks, and we are not even done yet. We are not done yet. Once you have all your shrimp in there, we about to get him in there shortly. We're over here taking our time. We got our shrimp in there. Now we're gonna drizzle some of that beautiful, delicious sauce on top of our dish. That beautiful, delicious sauce. Man, that sauce is off the hook. It's so amazing. Drizzle that right on top. Oh my goodness. Just like so. Once you have all your sauce in there, get you some parsley. It could be fresh chopped parsley. Could be a little bit of dry parsley. Whatever you got on hand, it will do. And just sprinkle that right on top, guys. Right on top. Guys, this ain't no 5-star dish. This is a 10-star dish, guys. I'm trying to tell you, this is restaurant quality right out of your kitchen, guys. This will knock anybody's socks clean off, guys, because this is just, look at it, guys. This is top-notch flavor on another stratosphere, like I always say, man. I cannot wait for you to try it because you're going to love it and you're going to impress anybody you serve this to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.